With the latest release of Adobe Creative Cloud, we continue to provide the world's best creative tools for everyone, from beginners to pros. With all of your favorite apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, and new tools like the beta release of Experience Design, Creative Cloud helps you create faster and easier than ever. Jumpstart your projects with Adobe Stock, which gives you access to more than 60 million high-quality images, graphics, videos, and more. We've also added improved search, premium content, and new 3D assets, all available right inside your favorite apps. Stock also has new templates that you can open from within Photoshop or Illustrator to help get you up and running fast. Adobe has extended the reach of our desktop applications and brought their power to mobile devices from both Android and iOS, so you can create wherever you are. Using Creative Cloud libraries, now with improved collaboration tools for teams and more control than ever, your images, color palettes, and files of all kinds seamlessly integrate across desktop, web, and mobile. Create a project on your phone, continue on a tablet, and finish it up in your favorite desktop application. With new mobile features like layers and customizable Photoshop brushes in Adobe Sketch and automatic pattern creation in Adobe Capture, you can create rich and beautiful work anywhere. Here's what hasn't changed. Your Creative Cloud membership lets you download every Adobe Creative app for desktop and mobile as soon as it's released. And whether you're just starting out with our products, need a refresher, or want to learn a new skill, Creative Cloud has hundreds of tutorials that you can access from within your favorite apps to help you get up to speed. Creative Cloud has powerful services like Typekit, which offers thousands of fonts that sync right to your desktop or mobile apps. And Adobe has formed new partnerships with some of the world's leading type foundries, giving you the option to purchase even more quality typefaces. Creative Cloud integrates with Behance, the world's leading creative community, and with Adobe Portfolio, so you can quickly create a beautiful website to share your work with the world. There's a Creative Cloud plan for everyone: artists, designers, filmmakers, photographers, students, and businesses of all sizes. No matter who you are, you'll have everything you need to go from blank page to brilliant.